Well, there have been continuous heavy rainfall that has triggered a flood-like situation across the Rajouri district as water has inundated several low-lying areas, causing disruption to normal life and raising concerns among the citizens. As what we are now looking at, that's the district administration, which has urged people to avoid unnecessary travel and to stay away from the rivers, from the streams, and also from the flood-prone areas. Residents who are living near the river banks have been advised to remain alert as the water levels that continue to rise. In fact, what we are getting to know, as far as 8 people unfortunately have lost their lives in Poonch floods. अंकित हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। अंकित, लोगों की हताहत होने की भी अब खबर आ रही है।
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं आप, लोगों के हताहत होने की खबर आई है। माना जा रहा है कि पूंछ जिले में ही तकरीबन 10 लोगों की मौत हुई है और वहीं जो लगातार बारिश है वो पूंछ जिले में हो रही है। मैं मौजूद हूं इस वक्त रजौरी में। यहां पे भी लगातार भारी बारिश की वजह से जो फ्लैश फ्लड आया उसमें भारी नुकसान हुआ। ये तस्वीर साफ तौर पे आप देखिए, ये मनोवर नदी की तस्वीर है। यहाँ पे भी लगातार जो पानी का जल भराव है वो लगातार बढ़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। तो कुल मिला के लगातार इसी तरीके की स्थिति जो है, चाहे वो जम्मू की बात करें, वहां पर भी 3 लोग फंसे हुए थे तवी नदी में, वो ट्रैप हुए। उसके बाद जो रेस्क्यू टीम है उन्होंने उनको रिकवर किया। उसके साथ साथ रजौरी में भारी बारिश की वजह से जो फ्लड आया उसकी वजह से कई जो लो लाइन इलाके में जो घर थे वो उनमें काफी नुकसान हुआ। कई गाड़ियां मलबे के अंदर दब गई। पुंछ की अगर बात करें तो सूरंगकोट इलाके में जो घर है वो पूरी तरीके से मलबे में दब गया। उसकी वजह से कुछ लोगों की जानें भी गई। पुंछ में कुल मिला के जो सूत्र है वो बताते कि 10 लोगों की अभी तक, चाहे वो सूरंगकोट हो, पुंछ के अलग अलग इलाके हो, वहां पे डेथ हुई है। उसके साथ क्लाउड बर्स्ट की जो घटना है वो किश्तवाड़ जिले में भी रिपोर्ट हुई है। हालांकि वहां पर किसी भी जानी और माली नुकसान नहीं हुआ है। मौसम विभाग की माने तो आने वाले 2 से 3 दिन इसी तरीके से पहाड़ से लेकर मैदानी इलाके तक बारिश की आशंका है। श्री माता वैष्णो देवी यात्रा, अंबरनाथ जी यात्रा, उसके साथ साथ शिवखोड़ी यात्रा फिलहाल रोक ली गई है। खुद जम्मू कश्मीर के मुख्यमंत्री उमर अब्दुल्ला और जम्मू कश्मीर के उपराज्यपाल एलजी मनोज सिन्हा यहां पर पूरी सिचुएशन को अभी मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं। तो कुल मिला के जो स्थिति है वो यहां पर काफी ज्यादा चिंताजनक बनी हुई है।
क्योंकि in some parts of the country there is drought-like situation, there is rain deficit, but in the northern regions we are looking at this return of the monsoons, and in a fiercest way, as pictures that have been coming in from Rajouri, from Kargil to Poonch to Mindhar to Srinagar and also in Ramban. Now let's get you the updates as the central government is also monitoring the situation. Union Home Minister Amit Shah also spoke with the Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and the Chief Minister Omar Abdullah to take stock of the situation. And Home Minister, however, has ensured, Ankit, that all possible help will be given. All right, so people there who have been affected, and according to the casualty figure that seems to have gone up as far as in Poonch floods is concerned, the area which is mountainous terrain and is prone to landslides, to cloudbursts, to flash floods, and this is the situation that is now being witnessed as far as the return of the monsoons is concerned. It has been raining with alerts that have been sounded on part of the IMD, but we are now looking at the situation where several cars, around over 100 of them, vehicles that have been washed away, low-lying areas that have been affected, and the administration has now sounded the alarm, advising people to stay away from areas which are prone to floods. Let's in the meantime also listen into what the residents have been saying, because there has been a trail of destruction that has now been left behind.
हो गया, सब कुछ खत्म हो गया, कुछ नहीं, बस ये कपड़े बचे, तन पे सब कुछ बह गया हमारा, कुछ भी नहीं बचा हमारे, सब कुछ जो कुछ भी था सब कुछ बह गया। पानी कोई 3-4 बजे से लगभग। हाँ, तो बंदों भी नुकसान है, बंदे नुकसान। एक लेडीज हमारी लापता है, वो मिल नहीं रही अभी तक, हम ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो बाकी क्या नुकसान है? बाकी सब कुछ जो कुछ भी है, पैसा कुछ जो कुछ भी था सब कुछ बह गया, कुछ भी नहीं बचा हमारे पास। आपका नाम और आप कहाँ से हो? हम इधर के लोकली रहने वाले हैं।
Well, Ankit, the people there are now in distress. They say that they have lost everything. The water, which was not there for some time, in minutes, the situation drastically changed.
Yes, absolutely. When we talk about, especially in the Rajouri as well as in the Poonch area, there has been a massive destruction which have been took place due to the heavy rainfall triggering the flash flood. What we are learning is that more than 10 people have been died due to this flash flood. Many of the house has been collapsed. Many of the vehicles have been under the debris. Let me show you once again the visuals of the river Manohar. This flows in Rajouri district. The water of this river has been rapidly increasing. The LG Manoj Sinha, Jammu Kashmir's Chief Minister Umar Abdullah is assessing the situation, and they are in touch with the district administration also. Although Jammu Kashmir police in Rajouri as well as in the Poonch has appealed to the people that don't go close to the low-lying areas near the river. What we are also learning is that SDRF, NDRF is on the alert. In Kishtwar there was an incident of the cloudburst, but fortunately no incident have been reported. No incident have been reported on the damage of any of the property or the life. But yes, there has been a massive flash flood which have triggered in Rajouri as well as in the Poonch district. We are also learning is that whether it is Surankot, whether it is the upper reaches of the Poonch area, there has been a casualty which have been reported. 8 in Surankot, 2 of them in the different areas of district Poonch. In this particular area, when we talk about this is the Manohar river which flows in Rajouri belt towards Nowshera also. And look at this, the water is rapidly increasing. Although there is no rainfall right now, but few minutes back there had been a rainfall since tomorrow. What we are also learning is that the meteorological department has given an advisory. They have clearly said in upcoming days there will be from the low-lying areas to the upper
live
reaches
update as the rivers are in a spate. Trail of destruction that has been left behind, and flash floods that have now been reported, as there has been areas surrounding, when it comes to in Ramban, in Kargil, in Poonch, there have been casualties also reported. Meanwhile, Home Minister Amit Shah has given the assurance to the Union Territories Chief Minister and also to the LG that all possible help will be extended on part of the central government. Ankit, आपका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. Back after a short break.